I'm Bryan Johnson, owner of Innovative Tools. I'm here today with Troy. We're going to talk to you about the new Multimatch R from Scangrip.
This is the newest one they have out, and I gotta say, it's one I'm most excited about.
Yeah,
just
I love that light when I first saw it.
I know, just an incredible light, right? It fits right in the palm of your hand. And again, this light is pretty much featured, you know, we're gonna probably use it more as an inspection light than anything else. It does throw a wide beam. It's just so portable, so small, can be used everywhere in a body shop, detail department, mechanics, interior detail, everything.
Yeah, I think probably one of the best places to use this, like you say, when you're doing your final inspection before you clear coat, you'd probably shut the booth lights off with it.
Exactly right. What makes it so convenient from the one that we had in the past to this one is just the fact that it's handheld and still throws out just a wide beam.
Yeah, and then that has a magnetic base on it as well, so you can store that right on the booth wall.
Yep, magnetic base as well, and also has a spot in the back so you can attach it to a tripod.
Okay, and then that's the lithium-ion battery and...
Lithium-ion battery, probably get about 4 to 6 hour runtime on this one. And what's nice about it, again, we didn't talk about it yet, Bryan, but it does have all the Kelvins as well, 2500 to 6500 Kelvin. So again, you can pick your color choices out there, to best use what you're using it for. Again, those Kelvins were kind of designed, with the full spectrum on those for the detail department, because you see so many more defects with the color corrective lens in here.
All right.
In the paint department, you probably run with 4500 Kelvin, but otherwise giving you the option to really pick out what you want to do there.
All right, perfect. That's the Multimatch R.